Hello, in today's session, we will cover the introduction to ribbon settings. The top portion of your Excel window is called Ribbon, and it consists of tabs: Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formula, Data, Review, View, Power Pivot. Each tab consists of groups of commands or the most important operations you will be using. So the first group here is clipboard. Then we have font, alignment, number, styles, cells, and editing. These are the home groups of commands, and you can extend to more commands if you click on the write down extension here, and you are able to choose your different options for example, for the number, format celling, or alignment, font, border of table, and so on. We can collapse the ribbon if we right-click on the ribbon and select Collapse Ribbon, and this will allow you to have more space if, for example, you need more space of cells. If you want to return back, you can quickly just click on one of the tabs and then pin it with the pin over here, or again, right click and unselect Collapse Ribbon. How we customize the ribbon? The customization of the ribbon is again selected from the menu, right click, select Customize Ribbon, and you can choose different commands that can go in each of your groupings. So you have here tab Home, and all the groupings are listed down. You have the Insert tab and the groupings. We can create more tabs if we want. We can customize one and add our preferred commands in one place, so it could be easily accessed. So how can we do that? We just click New tab, and we want to rename it to something that is more useful for us. So for example, I'll say here My tab. Okay, and we can add multiple groupings. Now we have one group already. I'll just for the purpose of example use this one and add some of the things that I can use. For example, fill color can be added. I can add font color. I can add, maybe I want to use freeze panes. Okay, and now we just need to say okay and apply the changes. Where is my tab? You can look at the top, and the tab is over here, and these are the ones that we've selected, the commands. And for example, I'm here and I want to use shading and change shading to something else. I want to change my font color, and it's easy to use. If we don't want to use this tab anymore, or we just decided that it's not useful, we do the same. We go to Customize Ribbon, find the tab we don't like, and remove it. Easy peasy. Okay, what is the Quick Access Toolbar? The Quick Access Toolbar is the very top portion of your ribbon, and you can select something that you really want to use on one click. You don't want to check on the tabs and find it. So for example, here save is on top, undo, redo is on top, and there is some commands that you can have been pre-selected for you but not displayed. So for example, I want to use a new file creation, and it will be easy as just clicking on this and the new file is created. I want to add, for example, printing. Let's select Quick Print. Maybe we want to select Open as well, and so on. And again, if you want to add more commands to the Quick Access Toolbar, you can select them from here, from the option for more commands, and you go back to the options in, for example, as I was saying, freeze paint. I like to use freeze paint and I want to have it quickly and easily. Okay, I'm adding it to the quick access toolbar. Okay, and now it is up here, and we can always, for example, if we're here, select freeze paint and we're good to go. Actually, we have to do it here. And now the ribbon stays on top. So that's it for this session. Hope you find it useful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.